let me make you hear that how does this 400cc mill screams when you twist that throttle. Yeah, that bloody torque, man. I love it. I thought this would be the best place to do some revvings. I'm right in front of Sri Raghavendra Swami's temple. Kapada Raghavendra, Kapadu. So yeah, I thought this is a kind of area where no one is there. I don't find crowd. Right, so that's my D400. It's cleaned, it's washed, it's polished today by me. Since it's weekend, it's Saturday today, it's Saturday evening that I'm recording this video, and most probably I would upload this video today itself, or maybe tomorrow on Sunday. So this video is all about how does the stock exhaust of D400 sounds. So let me crank up this machine for you and show you how does the exhaust note, the stock exhaust note of the D400 sounds. Let me get it to neutral. All right, we are in neutral. Okay. So this is in the idle. Now this exhaust note is after my first service, guys. That's all about it, guys. I hope you like the stock exhaust sound of the D400, and if you like this video, or if you liked the way the Dominar sounded, please do hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video, man. Please don't forget to hit that like button. You know, your like makes me like to upload more and more videos. All right, so have a good evening, guys, and as I always say, ride safe and ride smart. See you.